Good morning from the farm. It's about the fifth day in a row of 90-degree temperatures and no rain. So the more tender plants, the more cool weather plants like the lettuces and mustard are beginning to bolt. Here's the spinach is one, for example. Here's spinach. You probably know what that typically looks like, and you can see that it's starting to flower at the top. You don't want that and to bolt. So basically, if you see it start to flower, the best thing is snip it off and, you know, keep harvesting it. But we want to stop this. I let the arugula over there with the white petals, I let that bolt because I'm going to let it reseed and get a second crop in the fall. But over at the very end, and the broccoli can bolt in just a day. So those are the broadleafs at the end. So it was important to get that covered. And also the mustard started bolting just yesterday. So we've got to nip that in the bud because I sure do like fresh mustard. Here's mustard that's not bolted, and here's mustard that is bolting. So we got these row covers. Kind of Jimmy rigged them up to the best of our ability, and hope that they last without crushing the plants. Hannah is over here watering. Watering is trickier than you think because, for instance, she just watered this row of basil and it looks like it's drenched, but truly, if you put your finger down into the sand, which is my soil here, you'll see it's dry just right down here. So that's something you really need to think about when you're trying to soak the roots of something. The other aspect of watering that people often don't get is that these are tomato plants and these are the flowers. The fruit will come from these flowers. So if you water too heartily and knock the flowers off, you've essentially lost your tomatoes. Yeah. And then here, look, remember the other day we only had a couple echinacea to harvest? Now we've got plenty. So we're going to do that, but it's getting later in the morning, and you really need to harvest anything that you're going to eat or dry early in the morning. So I may wait until evening to do that. You just don't want to do anything in the hot sunshine. All right, we're done for today. Have fun.